where fire meets precision, where every pour is purpose-driven. Welcome to Uni Abex, engineering tomorrow, casting excellence. We specialize in heat, wear, and corrosion-resistant alloy castings, built to endure and engineered to lead. Uni Abex masters in centrifugal and static casting, delivering components with surgical precision and monumental strength. From reformer tubes powering petrochemical giants to decanter solutions redefining industrial separation, our castings drive the petrochemical, refinery, and fertilizer industries forward. Trusted by global leaders, born from state-of-the-art technology and backed by a legacy of performance. This channel is your front row seat to world-class metallurgy in action. Explore our processes, discover our people, experience what it means to cast with conviction. Uni Abex, forging trust, casting the future. Visit us at www.uniabex.com. Subscribe now.